So I got a nice easy one this morning, just out here in the Sussex Street, a big office with some lawyers they're moving into. So here they didn't have any cables running back to the IDF because they had a wide area network set up going on with fibre. So all these cables, the data cables, they're all going back to outlets throughout the office. So today we're just going to run it in category 6 cable to the IDF, patch it down. We've already done the jump ring from the MDF up to the IDF, and now we're just going to install the data cable so we can bring in the Nbn service. So here's the IDF here on the 11th floor, and there's a little section, it's up here somewhere, where you can see the data cables coming through. I'll just do the same. And then we're going to bring it down, bring them onto this frame. And there's my tag from the other day. Alright, so there's a broken tile there, so I've just taken off half of that one so I can get access and see through this wall to the other side where we need to go. So I'm just going to feed a conduit to the outside and tie my CAT6 cable to it and feed it through. There we go. So you should be able to see there's a cable tray there. I'm up in the past the false ceiling now, and that is leading down the hallway to the IDF. So there's electrical and everything there to utility cabinets. So I'll be feeding mine along this same path on top of the tray. So I've just fed it in on top of that tray. Now I'm in the other section out here, and I've got to try and find my conduit. It's going to be over here somewhere probably, because I've got this strip rock here. Alright, so I've got my cable now here, I'm up in there above this false ceiling, and that is the penetration for the data cables to go through the wall and into the IDF. Sort of almost see through. It's a bit dark. Okie dokie, so I've got my cable coming down now, all nicely tied. Right here, just stripping it back, and there's a couple of little spots here on this block, so I'm just going to mount the blue and orange pairs on that, number 9 and 10. Okie dokie, so now I've terminated down my blue white and my orange white to the block here, and then we're going to run a jumper, and then that'll send the Nbn data into the socket. I'm going to go check it all, make sure it works, and we'll bugger off.